How to schedule a Grab car in advance. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a Grab car in advance. To do so, first of all, open your Grab application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top, you will be able to see the car icon. Tap on this car icon and now you will be taken to this page. Here in this page, you will need to scroll a bit down and at the bottom, you will be able to see advanced booking option. Tap on this advanced booking and once you tap on it, you will reach to this page. Here you will need to review all the details given here. You'll be able to schedule a ride anywhere from 2 hours to 7 days in advance. Tap on the Get Started button at the bottom. And now here select a date and your time. Tap on the box and select a date from the calendar. Again tap on the next box and select your time. Tap on this OK button and after that tap on Book in Advance option at the bottom. Now here you will need to input your current location as pickup point and your destination as drop-off location. Select your pickup, tap on Choose this pickup at the bottom here. After doing that, you will reach to this page. Here you will be able to see this card icon at the bottom right. Tap on it and select your card here, as cash is not supported for this transaction. After selecting your card, return back to the previous page and tap on the Schedule Just Grab button at the very bottom. After that, you will be able to schedule the Grab car. Soon after doing that, you will receive a confirmation notification regarding your booking. You will also be able to track updates about your driver as your pickup time. So by following these steps, you should be able to easily schedule a Grab car in advance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.